Ito yung kamag-anak eh, 'di ba? Si Dr. Locke?
Yes. So sinabi
Ayan,
niya
okey.
na hindi siya namatay sa
Oo.
wala pod connection to former President Duterte either, EGK. Ngayon
Mm.
puntahan mo yung page ni Dr. Locke, nandoon yung reply nung gumamit. So sabi
Ayan.
niya, "We explained that the doctors whose photos were included during March 14, 2025 rally in Manila were killed because of the culture of impunity prevailing due to Duterte's orders." Wait, paano culture of impunity? Eh, nahuli nga.
Oo.
Tignan mo,
True.
tignan mo, "We included the name of Dr. Andutan in the rally because we thought their family appreciates our effort of raising the issue of senseless murder in 2021." Oh, bakit naging connection kay Duterte? Eh, nagsalita ano sila, eh, wala namang kinalaman kay Duterte. Bakit
Mm.
ma-appreciate, eh, ginagamit ninyo? Hindi
Mm.
manggagamit kasi kayo dapat kung totoong bukal, kung totoong sincere kayo, kinontak niyo muna yung pamilya. Hindi niyo naman bangkay
Yes,
hindi
correct.
hindi niyo naman bangkay yan, eh. Kayo ba?
Mm.
Kayo ba yung pupuwede bang sasabihin gagamitin namin yung nategi na gagamit ka na lang ng bangkay ng iba for your ano, for your agenda?
Mm.
You have an agenda, you are an NGO, you want funding. Diyan kayo
Mm.
nabubuhay, kailangan meron kayong issue.